Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Park on level ground, chock the rear wheels, disconnect the negative battery terminal, and lift the Civic with a rated jack and jack stands before you begin work. Gather a replacement clutch kit that matches your year, a clutch alignment tool, new pressure plate bolts if required, and basic tools from 10 mm to 19 mm, plus a torque wrench. Plan for 2 people when supporting and lowering the transmission, and allocate 3 to 6 hours for removal, inspection, and reinstallation to work methodically and safely. Begin by draining the transmission fluid if applicable and remove the axle nuts, then detach the drive shafts or axles from the hub assemblies. Support the engine with an engine support bar or a jack under the oil pan protector using a piece of wood to distribute load. Unbolt and remove the starter, disconnect electrical connectors and speed sensors, and take out the transmission mount and bell housing bolts in a star pattern. With 2 people and a transmission jack, carefully lower the gearbox while aligning the input shaft to avoid damaging the clutch splines. With the transmission removed, inspect the flywheel for heat spots and scoring, resurface or replace it as needed to ensure a flat contact surface. Use the clutch alignment tool to center the disc, install the pressure plate, and hand start all 6 bolts before torquing them in a crisscross pattern to the manufacturer's specification. When reinstalling the transmission, align the input shaft with the clutch hub and slide the gearbox into the bell housing. Reinstall mounts, axles, and starter, refill transmission fluid, bleed the clutch hydraulic system if present, reconnect the battery, and road test to verify smooth engagement and correct pedal feel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.